Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset TCL Smart TV. To do this, we'll need to click on the gear icon on our remote, then move to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, click on OK, and here we want to scroll down to System, then About, and here find the Reset. Click on Factory Reset to begin restarting your device, and while you're at this process, make sure not to disconnect your TV from power, as it may cause damage to your TV. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.